everyone, so today I will be doing a tutorial on how to use SPSS on your MacBook or Mac device at home instead of going to lab. It is super easy if you have the right criteria for it, if your Mac is updated enough, or for your minimum recommendations for your current MacBook or Mac computer or Mac device, you must have a minimum of 8 gigabytes memory. Your hard drive must have a minimum of 500 gigabytes, and your OS system should be, operating system should be minimum Mac OS 1014 Mojave. But I did get a new computer, so I do have Mac OS 1015 Catalina, and I do have the memory more than 8 gigs and a hard drive of more than 256 gigabytes. But to check what operating system you have, you would just have to go on the top left corner of your screen where where you click on the Apple and you click about this Mac. So it should tell you on the overview that you have what your operating system is. Mine says Mac OS X Catalina version 10.15.6. See how much storage you have, just in case you don't have enough storage and you want to delete some storage so you have room to download this operating system on your Mac device. You could just go on storage. I do have 380.35 gigabytes available, 499 gigabytes, so I still have a chunk amount of data here for me to use, which is good. So once you have these recommendations, and first thing we're going to do today is download Anyconnect. And for that, you can literally just Google UB VPN Anyconnect, and it should lead you to the steps for it. So for here, you would just have to scroll here and download Anyconnect, and it should tell you the instructions right here. We can do that, and we're just gonna let that download for now. So we're gonna let that open, and right here we're gonna click, this pop-up should come up, and we're gonna click the box right here, and it should lead you to this pop-up, and obviously continue and agree. And what we're going to do is uncheck all the boxes here except for VPN, which for me it's already blacked out. You make sure this is the only checkbox you have on here. You press continue, and this says it will take 23.7 megabytes of space on your computer, so you should have enough for that if you are doing this. So you're going to install that. And then once you're done with that, you're going to say move to trash. So once we have Anyconnect VPN downloaded, we're going to click on that. It should look like this little icon right here on your Mac. This should pop up, and this should be connected to the Buffalo website. So you're just going to put in your UBIT username and password. And then this one asks you for your duo factor login. So you're just going to go on the app that you use to unlock at any time you need to go on Newbie Learns after a week. And then you just have to put in just the drop down menu, and it would just give you these numbers right here. So we're just going to type that in for you. It's just 6 digits that you just have to put in. And just accept. And that should allow you to be connected. It should tell you on the top right here. See, Cisco Anyconnect Secure Mobility Client is connected. So next thing we're going to do is go to the App Store. And then we're going to download Microsoft Remote Desktop. So I already have it downloaded, but if you it's free, you don't have to pay for it. So we're going to download that. So once you have Microsoft Remote Desktop loaded, I already have this logged in for me, but it might not show for you. So to get this to pop up, you would just click Add Workspace, and then your workspace URL. If you go onto the UB website and just do My Virtual Computing, Macintosh Computers, show you the instructions to get there. But for video purposes, connect to the desktop application. You're just gonna click and copy and paste this URL right here, and you would just put it to there. But it says already subscribe, but if you're not subscribed, a new window will appear. You just have to put your UBIT name and password. Don't put the at buffalo.edu part. You just need to put your user and password, and then you click add, and then you should be returned to the screen with the URL, and you just click add again. And then once you click workspaces, you should end up right here. And you're able to go in Spss, and you just have to make sure that you have the Cisco Anyconnect VPN, because the Microsoft Remote Desktop will not work without the VPN. So once you get there, you should be able to use SPSS. And once you click on SPSS, it just should look like this. And this is it.